we got this little water filtration system to have in case of emergency, when we're hiking, when we're camping. It's a very useful tool. I like that it's small. It fits in a purse or a backpack, and it's very simple to use. It does come with directions. There's multiple ways to use it, which is why we like it. So you just want to make sure that the water flowing out that you want to drink is flowing the direction of this arrow on the device. So this has a screw top right here, and so it comes with this little squeeze filtration system, and so you can fill this pop with water. It also comes with a lid to store water, and then this will screw right on there. And then you can drink it out of there like that, or you can squeeze it into a bigger jug of water or water bottle. So that's one option. You can also screw this right onto a water bottle. So if you fill a water bottle with water, you can screw this on there and drink it out like that. You can also attach a straw to it. So if you have like a wider something that this is not going to screw onto, it doesn't fit, then you can stick the straw in there and you can suck up water that way. And so it has multiple ways to use it. Also comes with a cleaning plunger to clean out the device. And so we have really felt good about having this around in case of emergency, and also to take it with us if we run out of water, we're hiking or camping. And so if you're looking for a water filtration system, I highly recommend this one.